Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Icons once again. So here we are going to learn about critical angle. Now, when we talk about critical angle, then we have to know that three situations arise over here. And today's shot is basically based on those three situations only. So we have to know about all the three situations and we have to know what are the things which are happening depending on the three criteria which is given here. First of all, when the angle of incidence is small. Now what we have taken I, we have taken as the incident angle, and C, we have assumed it to be the critical angle. So when the incident angle is small, smaller than what? From the critical angle. Then what happens? This is IR represents incident rate. Okay. IR represents incident rate. And what happens, when the incident rate is smaller than the critical angle, then refraction rate, that is refracted ray, is passed like this, and a part of ray is also reflected. Okay, that's why the intensity of the refracted ray decreases, because a part of it is always reflected into the same medium. I repeat, it's a glass and air interference, and here the incident ray is getting transmitted as a reflected ray as well as the refracted ray. The intensity of the refracted ray increases since a part of the ray is also getting reflected into the same medium, and in the different medium the ray is getting refracted. Fine. So here this is the scenario when the angle of incidence is smaller than critical angle. Now what if the critical angle is equal to the incident angle? Then at that time we have to know. Again, we are taking the same glass and air, the two medium we are taking, we are keeping it constant. This is my incident ray, IR. Then what happens? Reflected ray into the same medium, it is again getting reflected, but the refracted ray passes through the boundary of the two medium. This portion is the boundary between the two mediums, and the refracted ray passes from that particular boundary only. Okay, this is a very interesting case. And the last but not the least, when the incident angle is greater than the critical angle, here what happens? The full ray is getting reflected into the same medium. There is no story of refracted ray or refraction comes. Okay, so since the incident ray is getting incidented on this particular medium, so into the same medium, the ray is getting reflected. So there is no refraction that is taking place here. So we have to know these three scenarios very carefully, and as per these particular concepts, we will be getting many conceptual questions. So